Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, locate the Valorant app tile on the home page and then right-click on it to open a menu. From inside of this menu, open the Properties tab, then navigate to the Compatibility menu and checkmark both of these statements. Once done, click on the OK button to save the changes. The next step is to open the Task Manager. In order to do that, open the search menu from the bottom and search for Task Manager. Here, click on the Memory tab from the top, and the app using most of your device's RAM will move to the top. Now you just need to look for the process that is not necessary and then end it. In order to change the in-game settings, make sure to open the Valorant app. After that, press the Escape key and access graphics. Here, set everything to low and then click on the Close button to save the changes. The next step will be to check for updates. For that, access Search menu from the bottom and open the Settings app. Inside it, open the Windows Update tab from the bottom and make sure there are no remaining updates. The next thing is to check if there are any driver updates pending on your device. For that, open any type of preferred browser and search for drivereasy.com. Here, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Download button to download and install the software onto your device. Now open it up and click on the Scan button to start the process. Once it is complete, you will be able to see a list of updates that are available. You can just click on the Update button beside the graphics driver and update it to get rid of such errors. Lastly, open the Riot Client and access the Valorant app tile. Here, click on the profile icon at the top right corner and make sure Valorant is selected in the left side menu. After that, you just need to click on the Repair button, and if there are any corrupt files, the launcher will automatically fix them for you. So that's basically how you can fix Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.